Hi everyone, welcome back to part 4 of our Python tutorial on the Learning Stuff channel. In this session, we are going to cover some basic concepts in the simplest way possible. Instead of making things complicated and lengthy, we will try to teach you everything you need to know for programming in the shortest time possible. In this part, we are going to explore Python syntax or grammar. Syntax in general refers to the way code is written in any programming language in a way that can be understood by the computer. For example, let's go back to the code we wrote in the previous session and copy it. Let's copy it and paste it in a new cell. Now, if we remove the parentheses in this code, what do you think will happen? Let's run it. As you see, the error has been occurred because the syntax wasn't right. Let's put back the parentheses. Now the code has been fixed. Syntax also refers to the correct way of writing commands. If we try to remove the question mark in the same point command, the code will fail due to a syntax error in a Python programming. Python is a case sensitive, meaning that uppercase and lowercase letters are different. What that means? Let's show you in the example. Now, let's try to understand this concept through an example. In Python, we use letters and words to define variables. We write the word and then use the equal sign in front of it. For example, let's define a variable called a and assign value of 5 to it. What type this variable is and what is used for will be discussed in later sessions. For now, think of it like the letter A in math that is equal to 5. Now let's do the same thing for a variable B and assign the value 4 to it. In the next line, we will create variable C and assign the sum of A and B to it. Okay, now print variable C. As you may guess, the answer was 9. Okay, now let's check what is different between uppercase and lowercase. Let's create a and assign value 6 to it. And if you change the code like this, the answer has been changed. This is the meaning of the case sensitivity in the Python programming language. Now, instead of using lowercase a or uppercase a, let's have a simple question for the next session. I'm going to ask you the following code, answer, and what does it print? Let's write a code. Okay, the code is C equal to 10, B equal to 50, B equal to C plus 20, and print B plus C. Please write your answer in the comments with or without an explanation. Thank you. That is the end of the session. See you tomorrow.